Did you know you can turn almost any YouTube video into a short in just a few taps? With YouTube Remix Cut feature, you can cut a part of a video, add your own content, and create a brand new short directly from the YouTube app. Here's how it works. The Remix Cut feature is one of the YouTube easiest editing tools. It lets you select a short section from an eligible YouTube video and use it in your own short. You can also record your own video to appear alongside or after the selected clip, making it perfect for reactions, tutorials, explanation, or creative content. Let me show you how to use it. So first open the YouTube app and play a video that supports remix. Now tap the share button, then select remix, then tap cut. You will see a timeline where you can choose the part of the video you want to use. Drag the sliders to select your preferred sections. Once you are next happy with your selection, tap next. Now you can record your own video to continue the short or add your own content depending on the options available on your device. After recording, you can review your shot, make final adjustment, add a title, and then publish it. That's it. You have created a YouTube short using the Remix Cut feature. The Remix Cut feature make it easy to create engaging shorts without starting from scratch. You can highlight important moments, respond to videos, explanation, tutorials, or add your own idea to existing content in a creative way. Since everything happens inside the YouTube app, it's quick, simple, and greatest way to create shorts while following YouTube built-in remix tools. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.